bear's gonna be sad. You ready? Katie, stand up. Hang on 1 second here. Don't worry about me. No, you can have the bear, but you're not gonna have this. Okay, one more time. Then we'll be finished. One more time. You ready? Get set and go! Good job.
Yay! Pick up your bear.
Oh, Teddy, thanks. Bye.
Sophia, pick up your bear.
Teddy, okay?
Give it a big hug.
Tell your friends.
It's time he has to go to sleep now. Yeah.
Sophia, can you bring the bear to Mama? Can Mommy hold it? Oh, no. That's yours, honey. Yeah, that comes home with us. Okay, we'll put it at home. Can Mommy hold it?
No.
Can I hold it while you do dance? Oh my gosh, you're so fun. Sophia.